The stomach is tray-shaped and it can expand to temporarily store food. Partial digestion of the food takes place here. The crunching action of the stomach muscles physically break down the food. The stomach releases acids and enzymes for the chemical breakdown of food. The enzyme pepsin is responsible for protein breakdown. The stomach releases food into the small intestine in a controlled and equal manner. Peristalsis is the contraction and relaxation of the stomach muscles to physically break down food and propel it forward. These contractions are created by the muscular wall of the stomach, which consists of inner circular and outer longitudinal smooth muscles.
Produced in salivary glands, saliva is 98% water, but it contains many important substances, including electrolytes, mucus, antibacterial compounds, and various enzymes. The digestive function of saliva includes moistening food and helping to create a food bolus so it can be swallowed easily. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase that breaks down starches into maltose and dextrin. Also, it includes the enzyme lysozyme, which is very important so it can break down the cell walls from bacteria so they don't enter into our body.
Absorption of nutrients. There are two types of nutrients: macronutrients that include carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and micronutrients that include vitamins and minerals. The absorption starts in the stomach. After the food is broken down by salivary enzymes, there the hydrochloric acid and enzymes like protease break down proteins. Lipids break down lipids or fats, and amylase breaks down carbohydrates. One of the main functions of the pancreas is to produce enzymes to break down nutrients. Most of the nutrients are absorbed in the walls of the small intestine by the microvilli, with wave-like contractions. Finally, in the large intestine, the only thing that is absorbed is water, and no nutrients.
The benefit of this project is that it offers kids and young people a better way to understand the digestive process, like we have it here. It is a more detailed explanation of each part of the digestive system. The second model, that is about the saliva, this is a really easy and fast way in which we can show kids how saliva works and what's their function on digesting. The other project, that is the back, is just to show the stomach contractions.
We are gonna use some cardboard, a pen, some pipe cleaners, and some glue. We will start by sketching our model in the cardboard with a pencil or our sketch doesn't have to be perfect, but once we have finished, we have to start pasting our pipe cleaner into the cardboard with some glue. This is the final product after pasting all the pipe cleaners in the cardboard.
During the elaboration of this project, we can encounter different things in our daily life, and some of them are the contractions of our stomach or the contractions of our esophagus through the movement of peristalsis. They are very important in our daily lives so we can obtain the nutrients enough so our body can do different things such as running, such as jumping, and other things which are very important. We can represent them in this experiment, which can be very useful so students can see on the function of the digestive system.
In my opinion, this model really can help uh, young kids to understand and, more important, to comprehend how important is the digestive system to the body. Uh, the model is really fast and is also really creative and easy.
In my opinion, it is important to know the digestive system and the digestion process, because it is something that you perform every day, I wish. And if there is a problem in relation with the digestion or pain in the stomach, you can determine the causes by knowing what did you eat